reached Sri Lanka. Welcome to Sri Lanka. Anyway, we are now waiting at the dialogue. We're gonna get the SIM card, and there's like a huge queue. Like literally, we've been waiting for since 5-10 minutes now, and we also got our currency converted there itself. Just like 100 USD currency that we quickly got converted. INR का भी rate मिल रहा है यहाँ पे. Not a lot of people are giving. There's just one counter that is giving INR का rate, which was the rate that they were giving us was 0.3 से 0.4 के 0.3 से 0.34 के बीच में. Yes. And USD का rate we got at 300, like 1 USD is हमने 300 Sri Lankan rupees मिला. So I think that's fine to get started with, and eventually let's see, like we're gonna take a taxi and see. अभी हम 30 GB वाला plan ले रहे हैं, which is for 1800 Sri Lankan rupees. Yo. We're going now. Let's go. We have booked this minivan sharing with the two girls. We made a booking at Negombo, so it was a 1-hour ride from the airport, and we paid around 3,100 LKR. It costed us 6,000 baht because it was like the two girls and two of us. We divided the cost. Is it cute little fish? Hey, what's up? Let me just zoom it out. Yeah. We are spending our first day in Colombo now, and we're staying at this hostel which is called Drop-In Hostel, and this is like the outdoor area come restaurant, and this is a chill vibe and place. Yep. We're gonna go like explore out. We've got like a day in Colombo, and he's helped us understand things that we could do. So we've got these things right here. It's good. Okay. See you, thank you. Yeah, bye. We are staying here at Drop-In Hostel, and we booked like a room with like a private room with a balcony and stuff like that. And it's pretty I mean empty right now. I don't think we've got like a lot of tourists here, which is also nice. Like it's not that loud, but we're gonna head out. Both of us have got work today, so we're gonna finish that, and then we're gonna see. Like Colombo was not ideally in our plan to like explore, because it's pretty much like a city vibe sort of a thing, but we've got like a list of things जो यहाँ पे लिखे हुए थे, you know, on the board. So yeah, that's the best part about staying in a hostel. Like you get to know everything within like 5 minutes of conversation, which does not really happen in private hotels and stuff like that. So yeah. Anyway, let's see अभी हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. That's our tuk-tuk.
What's the login? What is it? OTP.
Yes.
Is it now? Huh? Left? Left.
Yeah, take left.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Phone number.
At this point, my camera just stopped behaving, and everything that was recorded is recorded in slow motion, including all the things that I've said. But we have gone to this cafe, which is really famous here. It's a seed cafe, and all these things are really like organic and stuff like that. And really love the vibe of the place as well. We also ordered for some coffee, and just had some Sri Lankan dal and coconut roti, which was really good. Hey, are you waiting for the bus?
Yeah, I have to go to the market.
Which market?
Fish market.
Why?
Buy fish,
For whom?
milk, bread, fish, and vape.
Okay, we are heading towards the Pete market, right? Yeah, and we were almost like at the bus stop because हमें कोई भी tuk-tuk नहीं मिल रही थी. But Pitni से we found our rig, which is this one, and now we are gonna go in a tuk-tuk so that we reach faster.
That's alright.
our ride.
Maroon 5.
Go.
Hey, Bandra की रानी आई.
We are at Pette.
Petta.
Petta
Market.
Market. We're at Petta Market, which is in the suburbs of Colombo. And let's see what we have here.
This reminds me of something.
Crawford.
Yes.
It's very similar to like the market that we see in Mumbai.
200. No, I asked somewhere ahead.
100 रुपये का फर्क है. ये यालन का और ये.
No, what if it doesn't work?
What if it is not work? अभी मैं आ रहा था तो मेरे टी शर्ट पे कौवे ने हक दिया. Forum says it. Good luck.
Yeah, but anyway, we are here like discovering this particular part of Colombo that I don't think I've seen on anybody else's video. We have been like trying to walk around Petta Market, and then from there we are trying to go to Golf Face, or we're trying to go there, but I think it's sunset already, so I don't think it makes any sense for us to go. So we are just like admiring the architecture.
Yeah, which looks so similar, like the fort side of Bombay.
Bombay, yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, this looks pretty good as well, like with everything with warm lights and like, I mean, yeah, obviously I'll post a better video in the background, but yeah, this looks nice. So we just saw this interesting thing. You are supposed to, you like can push the button and wait for the signal opposite over there. So yeah, like you'll get a signal and people will wait for you and you can walk. Just so cool, like safety 100%. No accidents while crossing roads. Cool, right?
It's underground.
Underground, and like it's proper ladies public toilet, and it's so like nicely made. Like public toilets.
You want to use it?
No. Should be like that. I don't want to go right now.
Oh, hi.
But no plants as such. Hey guys, what's up? It's the second day here in Sri Lanka, and I'm back with my GoPro. I love my GoPro so much. The other camera is too heavy. Like I'm so used to GoPro, so the other camera becomes a little too heavy for me to like carry around. But we're just quickly having some breakfast. We got this from the mart yesterday, some oranges, and now we just called for the yogurt. What is that? Fruit jar with seasoned fruits, and we're figuring out a stay for today. Nothing's planned, but Colombo was fine. We had a good night's sleep finally. And this is also a very cool hostel, drop-in hostel that we booked our stay at. We booked this from booking.com, and this costed us for about like $27 or $28 for a private room, which was really cool and decent. And the vibe of this place is really nice, so definitely you could check this out. And in the morning there's also breakfast over here, so you can probably like just order from things like that. Anyway, we've also hired a really cool tuk-tuk today, and we're gonna drive all the way from Colombo to Sigiriya. And in the morning our instructor came in and gave us like a driving lesson, and I'm a little okayish at that, but Sagar is really good with it, so he's gonna like start with the journey, get rid of the Colombo traffic, and then once we reach on like the normal lanes, that's when I'll probably start driving. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day, and you guys are in for a fun ride, so let's go.